So today in this lecture we'll see some example what is simultaneous equilibrium with some examples. So simultaneous equilibrium reaction with a common species. So let us take one reversible reaction. So this is our reaction. This is the one gas X which is converting into A and B. These two are again gas. So this is the homogeneous equilibrium, and again there is one more compound Y which also converting into gas A plus C. So these two gases are common to each other, and these two gases are occurring simultaneously. Two reactions are occurring simultaneously. So here, due to this, A will be giving same pressure to each and every reaction. So in these equations, let us take A and B are the partial pressure of X and Y. So this gas is giving A partial pressure, this Y is giving B partial pressure. So at equilibrium, X and Y are the partial pressure of X and Y respectively. So X and Y are the partial pressure of X and Y. So this is XY, the partial pressure of this X and Y will be X and Y. So initial pressure is your A and B, and after that at equilibrium it becomes X and Y. So it is transferred into the respective product. So how we can write this product? So this is our gas, X gas, so it's converted into AB. So initial is A, so it will be 0 0, but after at equilibrium, so this becomes your X, this will also become X, this become X, this become X, and this will be your A minus X, which is decreased down. But simultaneously we have another reaction. This is first this reaction, I am not taking Y, I am not taking Y. So first you close this one Y. So this is only XX, and this is X minus A minus X. Same cases, this will be Y. So Y is converting A plus C as per the equation. So this is the B is the partial pressure, initial pressure 0 0. Now this will dissociate into Y and Y. I am not taking X. This will dissociate into Y and Y. Since these two are common gases, so we have to take add X this side and Y this side. So this Y is added this side and this X is added this side. So now this becomes your common pressure, and this will be your A minus X, not A minus X. This will be actually A minus B minus Y. Just to make it subcorrection, this B minus Y. So in these cases, Kp1 will be equal to partial pressure of A into partial pressure B by X. So X plus Y into X divided by A minus Y. This is the Kp1 is fixed for this one reaction. So here Kp2 for this reaction will be partial pressure A into C by Py. So A is X plus Y into Y, and this will be your B minus Y. So this is correct. So this is a Kp1, Kp2 we can find out like this. Let's see some solved numerical based on simultaneous equilibrium. So 1 mole of A is in 1 liter vessel maintained at constant temperature, shows the equilibrium. This is our reaction Kc1, and C is converted 2D plus 3B. So this is our Kc2. If the equilibrium pressure is 13 upon 6 times the initial pressure, if the equilibrium pressure is 13 by 6 times the initial pressure, and the concentration C at equilibrium is 4 by 9 of A. This is second condition. So calculate Kc1 and Kc2. What is Kc1? Kc2 we have to calculate it. So how we can do this problem? So first you write this equation, this one, and first we need to find what is the concentration of each gas. How we can find out? So if you see here, initial pressure is here, initial concentration is 1 mole. 1 mole is given here, it is in the equation. So this is given here 1 mole. So first you write 1 mole. So this is your 1 mole, this is 0 0. So we can write here A, this will be your 2 into A. Initially will be A and 2A. So don't take this one, don't take this one. This will become 1 minus A. So this is 2C. Now C is dissociating into D plus 3B. So C is how much? So C is here A. C, 2C is there, so it is 2A. So write here 2A. Then this will be your at equilibrium. I am talking, so this will be 2A, this will be 2 into B, and this will be 3 into B. Correct? 3 into B. And in 3 into B, how much we have to decrease it? So 3 will be, so again we have A. So here you add A, and this is your, you are substituting B, and since these two are equal, so you have to write 2A minus B, 2A minus B, and this will be A plus 3B, A plus, so this will be also equal, this will be also equal at equilibrium. So don't see this one, we have to see this one. So now this B and the pressure of this B and pressure of this will be equal, and pressure of this C and pressure of this C will be equal to each other. So these are the number of moles. So total number of moles will be add all. So since this is common, so remove common one. So these two will be common. So you take 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total will be 2A plus 4B plus 1. So now you know Avogadro law, that is pressure is directly proportional to number of moles. So moles is, this is the moles. So pressure will be equal to PA equal to 2A plus 4B plus 1. And this is equal to nothing but the 13 by 6 times, which is the equilibrium. So as per the given condition. So we can see here 13.6 by times to initial pressure. So this is 13 by 6 given. So if you solve it, 2A plus 4B equal to 7 by 6 times. So this is question 1. Again second condition given, the concentration of C is equal to 4 by 9 times of A. So concentration of C is how much? 2A minus B. So write here 2A minus B. Okay, this is 2A minus B. Already we know that 2A minus, this is the concentration of C. So we can write here 2A minus B, and this is 4 by 9 of initial pressure. So A initial pressure is 1 minus A. So we can write here 1 minus A. So now we can solve. On solving we can get 22A minus 9B equal to 4. So we have two equations. One is this equation, one is this equation. If you solve it 1 and 2, so we will get A equal to 25, 0.25 and B equal to 0.167. Now we can easily find Kc1 and Kc2. So Kc1 will equal to B C square by A. So now substitute the value. This is B, this is C, A. So on solving, we know the A and B everyone. If you get this value, you can solve 0.11. Similarly for Kc2, D square BQ by C. So first you write the 2BQ like this, and now put the value of A and B in this. Now we can get 0.142. Thing is that first we find out the value of A and B. Now we are finding the Kc1 and Kc2. How to find A and B? By using the simultaneous equation properly. So two solid compounds A1, A2 in a container dissociates at temperature T to show the equilibrium. So these are two compounds. A is converted into gas 2B, and this is A2 is converted into again C gas and 2B, and Kp1 is given, Kp2 given. What is the total pressure of the gases at equilibrium? So we have to find the total pressure of gases at equilibrium. So this is the one equation, this is second equation as per this question. So at equilibrium, this will be your P1 and this will be your 2 into P1. So don't take this one. So I am just cutting. Second A2. So this is a solid. So this will not show any pressure. This is a P2 and this is a 2P2. Since these two quantities are at equilibrium, so what we'll do? So we have to add this one to this side and we have to add this one to this side. So now this becomes your 2P1 plus 2P2. So both are equal. Now we can take the ratio Kp1 and Kp2 equal to by doing this. So on solving we will get P1 by P2 equal to 2. So this we got the relationship. So P1 equal to 2 into P2. Now Kp1 equal to P1 into 2P1 plus 2P2 whole square. Okay, and P1 is given how much? So 0.1 atmosphere, and P2 is given how much? 0.05 atmosphere. So this values came how? So now you just P1 equal to P2 and just substitute this value over here. So if you substitute here, so we get P2 and Kp1 already we know the value. It is given here, this quantity is given here. So if you solve it, on solving you will get P2 equal to this much value. Similarly, we can get P1 equal to this much value. Now we can easily find the total pressure. So total pressure equilibrium will be, so it is here P1 plus this common pressure plus P2. So P1 plus P2, 2P1 plus P2. So write the value of, it becomes your 3 into P1 plus P0, 3 into 0.1 plus 0.05. So it will be answer 0.05 atmosphere. So two solid compounds A and B dissociate into gases product at 20 degrees centigrade as. So A is converted to this plus this, B is converted to this plus this. So at 20 degrees centigrade, pressure over excess solid A is 50 millimeter and that over excess solid B is 68 millimeter. Find number 1, the dissociation constant of A and B. Second, relative number of moles of A dash B dash in the vapor phase over a mixture of solids A and B. And third, shows that the total pressure of the gas over the solid mixture would be 84.4 millimeter. So over the gas, so total pressure is this, is we have to find out. So when these two gases are at equilibrium. So pressure for A is given here 50 millimeter. This is the pressure A over this one, total pressure is this one, and total pressure of solid B is 68 millimeters. Two pressure is also given individually, and this is the simultaneously. So let us find out this value. What is the Kp of this one? What is the Kp of B? So A is converted to Ag plus H2S. This is gas. This is gas. So equilibrium pressure is Pa dash plus Ph dash H2S. So partial pressure of hydrogen sulfide, partial pressure of A. So this is given 50. This one. So this is equal. So we can write here Pa dash equal to P dash H2S. So it will be equal to 25 millimeter. So it will be just equal to this millimeter. Similarly, then Kp1 we can find out. So multiplying by this into this, 25 and 25, we will get the Kp1. This is the constant for one temperature. Similarly, for B equation we can say, so this is the B dash B H2S. So it's partial pressure of B H2S. So summation will be equal to 68. Since these two are equal to each other, so each will be 34 millimeter. Now similarly we can find Kp to be equal to 34 into 34, that is the 1156 millimeter square. Now we have to prove the total pressure. So to find the total pressure, so write the equation again. So this is giving X, so we have to use the simultaneously. This is giving X, and Kp1 is equal to X into X plus. How Y comes? Let us go for second equilibrium. B is giving B dash plus H2S. So this is Y, this is Y, this is solid. For solid we are not writing any pressure. Since these two cases are common, so write Y this side and write X this side. So this become X plus Y, X plus Y. Now Kp1 equal to X into X plus Y, that is constant value, and Kp2 equal to Y into X plus Y, that is constant value. Two values are take the ratio. So on taking, you are getting X plus Y equal this value. Now on getting X plus Y equal this value, so one more important information. If the volume and temperature are same, then the pressure is proportional to moles. If volume and temperature is same, then pressure is proportional to moles. Then moles of A by moles of B equal to 625 by 1156. So moles of A by B equal to, it will be equal to 0.5406. Now X by Y, Y equal to 625 by 1156, and X into X plus Y equal to 625. So two equations are given. So on solving these two equations, X equal to 14.81 pressure and Y equal to 27.38 millimeter. So total pressure will be pressure of A, pressure of B, and pressure of H2S, that is X plus Y plus X plus Y, that is 2 into X plus Y. So 2 into 4. This is not 4, this is your 14. So 14.81 and this is a 27.38. So on solving you will get 84.32.